Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the child and pet lock on your Roomba J5. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our iRobot Home app and then scroll down to product settings. So click on that, then click on child and pet lock, and here you can enable or disable the option. So what the option basically does is while the robot is cleaning, its buttons will be disabled. So for example, your child or your pet can press it by accident, and they will be only available once you pick up the robot or it like stops and docks the station. And once you enable it, you will hear like a chime on your Roomba, which means that the option has been enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.